Message to some Nigeria YouTubers that feel so big. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time or you are just passing by on my YouTube channel, please consider to press that red button that says subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much and God bless you. So today matter be say all those big YouTubers maybe say they feel so big, then they feel so big, any little thing they make any little video they made, they'll just they throw out, they give the small YouTubers, they throw out, they give them any small thing they want just stuff for their video, they'll just they talk say all those small YouTubers may never reach anywhere. They forget say you people was once like them. You people start from the crash. You people should stop throwing out to small YouTubers aside there, right there. Stop throwing out to YouTubers, some small YouTubers aside there. Now they talk, they throw out, they give the small YouTubers, say they don't get now small viewers they get. Why they'll get small viewers? And small viewers they get now just they throw out, they give them anyhow. They give all those small YouTubers anyhow. Why now they throw out, they give all those small YouTubers? They give those small YouTubers, they there for you people. Before now they carry una come this stage more na day to day may come be saying na they throw out, they give them say they get small YouTubers they be. Any small thing who want just do video, just carry the matter, you will just they talk small YouTubers. Now na get YouTube. Now na get YouTube na for una. Now na create YouTube. This message na for those of them made that they feel so big for YouTube. For present that they feel them say they be presenters that they feel so big. Now na get the channel now na creator. Now na get YouTube. YouTube na for una. Now na get YouTube. I say now just they throw out, they give YouTubers, they give all those small YouTubers because of una. All those small YouTubers not go make video again because of una. Because say I don't already get there. I don't make already. Na feel say other person no feel even better person am again. Why? I'm speaking to you people. Why? All those big people make that they feel say na them be the big people for the social media. Why? This message na for una. Now they feel so big. Now too they feel so big. Because say YouTube don't start to they pay una. Now go they feel so big, they misbehave, they do anyhow for social media. They misbehave, they do anyhow for social media. They do anyhow for na platform, they do nyaga those small YouTubers, those small YouTubers. Those small YouTubers, they there for una. Now first start from somewhere, now start from the crash too. Wanna stop abusing those small YouTubers. Stop abusing them. We people should stop abusing those small YouTubers. The way people are throwing out to those small YouTubers, it's not good. People should stop abusing those small YouTubers. Stop it. It's not good. The way people are abusing those YouTubers, those younger ones that is coming on YouTube, it's not good. You people should stop abusing them. Stop accusing them. Stop accusing those small YouTubers. Please welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Judy. If today is your first time or you are just passing by, please consider to subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much and God bless you. I'm not gonna let all those small YouTubers just stay. Just get rest of mind at all. Any little thing are just the one they match them for social media. Why? Any small thing are just they match them for social media anyhow. Now say na be presenters na they on top. abi na no know say the youngest shall grow. Na no know who be small pikin mo na dey yab anyhow for social media. Na don already dey there, na think say anybody no go get there again. Na still now you people start from the crash too. You people still start from the crash. Those small YouTubers, they dey there for una. They subscribe to una channel. They subscribe. A lot of them dey there for una. Because say na don dey the top the big number. Because say una don already get there, na come dey do say any small who just dey make video, just dey throw mouth, dey give the small YouTubers, and all those small YouTubers. The social media na una creator. Na una get the social media. Na una get the social media. Na una get the social media. Social media na for una. Na una create the social media. They can be some other people no go enter the social media again do video again. Na alone now just dey do the video for there. Now which kind thing be all those ones sef? Which kind thing?